We have been manufacturing and distributing original LÖWE shears for 100 years. The invention of the first anvil pruner in 1923 marked the worldwide success of a completely new type of shear for wine, fruit and horticulture. Continuous development has led to the division of our range into two categories today: original LÖWE Garden Pro pruners and industrial cutters, high-quality shears for industry and crafts. The guiding principle here is cutting instead of sawing, which offers advantages in terms of clean cuts, safety at work, and precise cutting guidance. From the very beginning, we've produced the shear bodies ourselves, and in 1998 we also started manufacturing the blades. The production of sheet metal parts can only be partially automated due to material tolerances. The assembly process in our in-house workshop requires the skills and abilities of our skilled workers. The very close relationships to our worldwide partners form important interfaces abroad.
With LÖWE, we have the highest standard of cutting tools on the market.
For professional users, it is very important to have a long-lasting tool.
Customers consider them the best on the market they've ever had. It's amazing.
It is the finest pruner in the world. The quality is phenomenal. The strength is amazing, and the backup service with your spare parts availability cannot be beaten anywhere else.
Made in Germany, good quality, #1 of the world.
As a third-generation family business, we see ourselves as one big family. It's important to us that people matter. And as a team, we believe in our vision. Everything that's currently being sawed will be cut in the future. We are original LÖWE.
Every cut matters.
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 Fantastico!